good afternoon. Oh my god, I'm so excited today because I'm going to interview a person who contributes in our life a lot. Do you know who? Yes, a teacher. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I have one project for interview a teacher. So that's why Miss I interesting for interview yourself. Okay, before we start interview, can we introduce myself first?
Yeah, okay, you can introduce yourself.
Okay, hello guys, my name is Debbie Agustina and I'm second semester elementary education University PGRI Silampari. Okay, Miss, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, what is your full name, Miss?
My full name is Miss Cindy Octavianti, but my students usually call me Miss Cindy here.
Okay, Miss Cindy, nice name. And when you was born?
I was born in October 4th, 2001.
Oh my god, so young. They look like baby face, yeah, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, and the next question, are you have been married or not?
I haven't married yet, so I'm still single.
Oh my god, guys, still single. Oh my god, if do you want to with Miss Cindy?
Okay.
Come to the here, yeah, guys. Okay, Miss. And the next question, where do you live?
I live in Ceremedalam Street near Putra Putri Bangsa School. If you know Putra Putri Bangsa School, then my house is near there.
Oh my god, yeah. Maybe one day I can come to your house.
Yeah, you can come to my house. I'm really happy if you can come to my house.
Mungkin later Idul Fitri ya, Miss.
Oh yeah, okay. It means it's next year, Dibi.
Yes, yes, next year. Okay. The next question we have a little bit deep talk maybe. Why you choose a major English? What your motivation like? I choose this English because.
So when I was in university, I was studying English. I chose English major because when I was in senior high school, I have interested in English, and I think it's really important to learn English because it's international language, and I have a dream to go to another country. So if we want to go to another country, we need to know how to speak English. That's the reason.
Yeah. If I may know, what the country, Miss?
Oh, my dream country. Actually, I have some, but the first country that I want to visit is Turkey. I want to go to
Oh my
Turkey.
god, Turkey! It's my dream too.
Really? It's your
Like the
dream?
film,
Okay.
it's my dream, must not her. You know?
Okay, yeah, I know that movie.
Oh my
that
God.
series, yeah.
Oh my
I really want to go to
I
Turkey.
think the Turkey is also all of people dream. I think.
Yeah, I think actually the reason why I want to go to Turkey is there are 4 seasons there, which we don't have in Indonesia, right?
Yes.
And it's also a Muslim country. That's the reason actually. I think the people are also kind,
Oh.
and the food. Yeah, I want to try the original Turkey kebab, you know?
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
the ice cream, the viral ice cream from
Yes.
Turkey. I want to try it. But I don't know when I can go to Turkey. Maybe soon.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Let's pray for Miss Cindy one day, ya, guys.
I hope that I can go to Turkey.
Yeah, I mean, maybe the last reason is the people handsome, ya, guys.
Okay, actually that is also one of the reasons, but I didn't mention it before, but you mentioned it, Divi. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next question, guys. How too long you have been to be a teacher, Miss?
How long have I been a teacher here?
Yes.
I have been being a teacher in Little Star. It is almost 3 years. But actually, before I joined Little Star, I also taught in another places.
Oh,
But it's
yeah.
not for a long time, maybe like around 2 or 3 months. Then after that, I joined Little Star. Until now, it's almost 3 years. I have been teaching here.
So, with 3 years, Miss, I think you have a lot of experience. You find with another student character, and you also find the student unique, I think.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
yes.
Can you tell me what the best experience you when you teaching?
If you ask me about the best experience TV, actually, I have some. I cannot only mention one because being a teacher, actually, it is fun as long as we can handle our emotions.
Yes.
So, actually, when you think that the kids are not good, we cannot say that they are not good. Actually,
Yes.
they just need attention from the teacher. So, if you ask me about my experience, I have met so many kinds or characters of students in here, and all of them are fun. Actually,
Yes, yes.
yeah, I like
agree.
them. And in here, they are very nice to the teacher. They
Yes.
respect the teacher.
Yes.
Especially when they speak English, I really like it. When they try to speak English, even though they don't really understand, but they want to try. And then my best experience of being a teacher in Little Star also, one of them is, I think last year we have a guest from Thailand. I don't know. He lives in Thailand right now.
Oh my God.
But he was from USA. I think it was Mr. Chris. Do you
Yes,
know?
yes.
I was really happy when Mr. Chris came here to meet Little Star's teacher, and then he gave us so many training. We learned a lot from Mr. Chris, which
Yes.
actually we cannot find this in another places, I think. So I'm feeling grateful to be here. I learned from the international trainer like that.
Okay, okay, guys. So many best experience. I think
Yes.
cannot tell the one. I think
Yeah, there are so many. So I just tell you a few.
Yes, and also the result is not all children bad. They are just active, yeah, miss.
Yes, you have to know students' character too. Sometimes if they speak a lot or they were so active in the class, it doesn't mean that they are not good.
Okay.
So maybe they need your attention more. Just ask, okay, so what do you like to do, and we can apply it in our class like that.
Okay, miss. This is us a second semester, right? Maybe one day we will come to be teacher later, yeah. Okay. Can you tell me for a tips and trick how to can be teacher? Just yourself.
Okay, if you want to be a teacher, then you have to be, the first thing that you have to be is patient. You have to be patient. Like I told you before that we find so many characters of students. So as a teacher, you have to know your students' character,
Yes.
and then you have to understand them. Like, don't get angry easily.
Yes, yes.
But if they do something bad, yeah, you can just give advice. You can give advice. You don't need to be like very angry or saying
Yes.
something bad to the students, because it can affect their
Yes.
self, and maybe after that they will be scared of you. So I think, yeah, you have to be patient.
Yes. Yes, I agree. If that not our patient, it's hard, yeah, miss.
Yes, if you are not patient, then you will get angry every day,
Yes,
maybe.
yes.
Yes.
And also we need a lot of sabar, ya, miss.
Yeah, sabar is the key.
Yes.
Kuncinya ya.
Yes,
sabar. As a
number one in our life as a teacher, ya, miss.
teacher. Yes, that's correct.
Okay, guys, I think that's all my question, and thank you, Miss Ya, your
Okay,
time,
you're
because Miss Cindy have time for me, ya, guys. Thank you, Miss. And if you want to more about Miss Cindy, guys, you can chat me. Okay, I will give the Instagram and the
Okay.
number. I think maybe you can come the house or Turkey with Miss Cindy.
Okay.
Okay, Miss. Do you have like a motivation for my friends, another friends in when my friends watch this video? What kata-kata hari ini.
Okay.
With the English.
Because you are majoring education,
Yes.
right? So you will be a teacher, even though you can also be someone else except
Yes.
the teacher. But if you want to be a teacher, it is okay, guys. It doesn't mean that it's not a good job. Actually, being a teacher is very fun because you can meet many kinds of students with many characters. So yeah, it's fun. Just enjoy your life as a teacher.
Yes, enjoy our job and our life, ya Miss. Okay, Miss. Thank you for all your answers. So good and so nice to be our motivation to in myself. Okay, guys. Thank you for your attention and Miss too. See you next time. Maybe we can meet like one day, ya Miss. Okay, guys. See you. Bye.